Tatiana, and I'm going to be reading today Elephants Cannot Dance, written by Willems. Elephants cannot dance. Gerald, let's dance. I can teach you. I am teaching all my friends. I would love to learn how to dance, but elephants cannot dance. You're kidding me. What? No. Look up. Look it up. Page 11. Gerald, it doesn't say that you cannot try. You're right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance. Oof. Okay, let's go. Jump with me and when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. You were a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. Move your arms this way. We will try again. We will try again. Lift your leg this way. We will try again. We will try again. Up, up, down, down.
What if these 4 will do?
Well, spin, spin, stop, stop. Forward, forward, backward, backward. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Robot walk, robot walk. Enough! I have tried, and tried, and tried, and tried, and tried. But I am an elephant, and elephant just cannot dance. Plop. Oh, Gerald. Hello. Are you ready to learn some moves? I'm sorry, I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us. We want to learn the elephant. Teach me too. Me three. More feeling. Keep trying. You're getting it.